Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm back with another handbag review for you guys. It's going to be from Gucci. It's their Soho small leather disco bag. If you are interested and love these types of videos, go ahead and keep on watching. If you guys don't really like these types of videos, I have more videos for you guys on my channel to go check out. I do want to do another disclaimer like I always do when I do a video like this. This is in no way, shape, or form trying to brag about the things that I have or anything like that. I genuinely love watching handbag reviews so that I know what I should purchase, what I shouldn't, what people's thoughts are. So it's more to be informational. So if you love these types of videos, keep on watching. All right, let's get into the review. Okay, so first off, in the box, it comes with a duster bag, and the handbag is inside the duster bag, and it says Gucci. And here is the handbag. So here is the small Soho Disco Bag. I have it in the beige sand kind of color with the gold hardware, and it also has a tassel right here and an adjustable strap. So this is definitely in the camera bag category. Let's go through the specifics of the bags. First of all, the bag retails for about $1,190 USD dollars without tax yet. I think for a camera bag, that is a good price range. Usually from the different brands, the camera bags range about $900 to maybe $1,200, $1,300. I think that's a decent amount for a camera bag, but also you want to look at the size. Obviously the smaller, sometimes it's a little bit cheaper, but I think this is a really good size. It's about 8 inches across, 6 inches down, and 2.5 inches this way. It's not a tiny camera bag, it's a really good size bag. I want to also kind of show you guys later how much items you can put in here. But anyways, so we have it again in this beige sand color. It's a very neutral color with the gold hardware, and it has the tassels. If you open the bag, it is cotton linen inside. It has 2 pockets. So you have this pocket in the back and then this pocket in the front. This definitely does not have card holders, so you're not gonna wanna use this as your main wallet type bag. You need to also use the wallet. I do wanna say that because the inside is cotton and it's a light color, it's very easy to get pen marks on it, lipstick, or if your gloss like leaks, that's happened to me before, this definitely will stain. It also comes with an adjustable strap. I'm also only 5'2", so I always would need a bag that has an adjustable strap just because sometimes these bags tend to be a little bit longer. Gucci specifically has longer straps, so it's always a challenge for me to find a bag that actually hangs on me properly, and this one hangs really well, and this is a size small. There are various other sizes for this. They also come in a lot of different colors and different hardwares, so you can check out their website and see which ones you like. I think for me, the purpose of this bag was a little bit more for an everyday type of bag, especially since it's a camera bag. I'm able to put everything I need for the day, and I'm good to go with this. I think it's a really great everyday bag. It also has this leather that is like scratchless, so I definitely don't have to worry about it getting scratched anywhere I go, so that's another plus for me. Other pros to this bag, I think, is one, definitely usability. I can definitely dress it up, dress it down. That's always an important key feature for me. Another thing is that I'm able to really load this with a lot of things, and let me tell you, I'm just gonna start. I'm at my makeup, like I'm in my vanity filming, so I'm just gonna pick up whatever things I can pick up to show you guys size. Let's just say per se, this Bath & Body Works candle, it can fit in here, like comfortably. Like that already tells you like this bag is pretty big, because you know Bath & Body Works candles are huge. But I definitely could put a lot of things like a wallet, a cell phone, keys. I could put a little notebook in here, pens, lotion, and all of that. It's definitely a good size. And again, the real reason I really liked it is because it was like a scratchless type of bag, so it's definitely great for every day. Another pro to this bag is that it's very lightweight. With items and without items, it's very light. So it's really good to travel with, use for every day like I've mentioned. The only con I truly have for it is just the strap. But this is a preference, a personal preference. I hate when the leather starts to curl. And I can definitely see over time of using this, it will start to curl. So that's the only downside for me. Other than that, I really think it's a great price point. You can put a lot of things in it. It's a good everyday bag, and you can also dress it up. And I think it's honestly worth it for a bag compared to all the other camera bags that I own. I think this one definitely gets a lot more use. To wrap up my review, there really isn't many cons to this bag. The only thing I really had a problem with was just the strap curling, but other than that, it's a really great bag. And if you're looking to invest in a camera bag, this is on the lower price point, so I highly recommend it. You'll definitely get a lot of use out of it. And as I've mentioned in a lot of my luxury reviews, I always try to say that these are investment pieces, so you really want to be careful when you're choosing an item that is expensive or have a little bit more value. You want to just make sure you're getting the usability that is fit for you and your lifestyle. Well, there you guys have it for my Soho Disco Bag from Gucci. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and found it very informational. Leave a comment down below if you have the bag. What are your pros and cons about it? Is there a certain bag you want me to review? I'm interested in that as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.